Well, welcome to our shop floor. Today I just want to have a real quick chat about one of our machines here. It's a CNC lathe. It's got a bar feeder and a fourth axis. What's a CNC all about? Well, basically it's a computer numerical controlled machine. It does a lot of the work for you. It does a lot of that hard work. In the old days, you had to machine something on a manual lathe. It could take you a lot longer than what these things can take. Let me show you around. So here we've got a drawing of the part that we're going to make. Jeff has been with us probably for about 30 years, has learnt to master these machines, writes up a program which can take somewhere between 5 and 15 minutes to set, and just a matter of the start button. The machine will come along, it'll find its material, it'll select its tool, it'll machine the part. Once it starts cutting, you'll see a lot of swarf just getting thrown all over the place.